is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. My mother's Wills and makeup lover, of course. For today's video, I'm giving you guys a full beat today, full coverage. I was like having some breakouts, and I was like, you know what? I need like a full beat to cover up all the imperfections and feel hot again. So that is the vibes. I don't know. I think I have done a look on my channel with the Fine Art Beauty multi-matte palette. I'm pretty sure that I have done a video with this. Let me know, because I've used this a couple times, but I'm not sure if like the video actually made it up onto my YouTube channel. So yeah, this is the palette I'm going to be using today. She's stunning. Of course, I'm also going to be using the Blend Ellis Garden of Stars palette, her part 2 collab with Ellis. I definitely wanted to use more of that one. So yeah, I just kind of had some fun, played around, and I'm feeling the vibes. Don't forget to stay tuned until the very end of the video where I'll do an up close of my eyeshadow look for you guys. That way you can see the true beauty of the blend. And if you are curious about the products that I used to achieve this makeup and how I did it, definitely keep on watching. The hair is up and I'm feeling very snatched today. In my last video, I told you guys that I wanted to do like smoky eye, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I have this Fine Art Beauty multi-matte face palette. She's stunning. Ugh, I'm so obsessed. These are like my favorite tones of mattes. If you haven't seen this palette before too, it has like a little mirror that it comes with. It's super cute. So first things first, I'm gonna take this Mabel Mitchell color case, and I'm gonna take this magenta shade right here. You know what? Maybe I should take... I think I'm going to take these two shades mixed together. I'm going to take some of this... I'm just going to take some of this color and lay it down on the lid. I did a video. I had recorded a separate video, and then my mirror was in my face the whole time. I was like, oh, that was really cool of me. Recording a whole video. You guys couldn't even see what I was doing. It was like a cute little green look. I had a really hard time with it though, so it was like it just was not, apparently it was just not in the cards for me to show you guys that look. So I'm gonna do things a little bit differently today. Super fun. None of these shades have names, so I'm just kind of going with my heart's desire on this one. I'm gonna take this shade right here on a fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Shack T12 brush. And I'm going to put this right on the edge of that pink. I am going to do a lighter and a darker shade, but I'm going to start right in the middle. I'm going to take this dark shade here. It's like a dark burgundy. And I'm going to go ahead and tap this on the lid. And then I'm also going to take this shade right here as my next step up. That same packing brush, I'm just kind of tapping it down. I'm going to take a more like smaller brush with the lighter burgundy shade, just so it can be a little bit more precise. And then back in with the fluffy brush with the first shade. I'll dust that brush off, and then I'm just gonna go in with, let's see, I think I'm just gonna take this kind of like pinky skin tone shade right here. I'm just going to go back and forth between all the brushes, all the shades. Get that nice and blended. As you could see, you could see like 3 different shades. We want to make sure it's all nice and seamless. Now I'm going to take, losing my voice. I'm going to take some Unearthly Glimmer Grasp. And I'm going to put this like if I had cut the crease. Could do like a little faux cut crease here. I'm going to take this Blend Bunny X Ellis The Garden of Stars shimmer palette. And I think I want to take shade Haunting. I think maybe some shade Perline right here. Just to lighten up the inner corner. I have this Unearthly Dumpy Jelly palette. I think I'm going to take shade DBJ4, which is like purple and blue. I'm just kind of mixing all those together to get like a grady. I love, I just love when things are super multi-tone, And then I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of black shadow to the waterline. And then for lashes, I was thinking of going in with these Lilly Lashes in the style Ritzy. I find that I just love mixing my foundations. That's, if you haven't mixed foundations, what are you doing? Because it's like the dream team. Today, I wanted to take the Nars Soft Matte with the Hourglass Ambient Soft Glow. See what this does. I haven't tried these ones together before. So I just mixed them up on my little palette here. Is it gonna be too yellow? Pretty yellow, isn't it? On this camera it doesn't look that yellow, but in person she's pretty yellow. We're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna do this number here. Just add a little bit, blend it out. Going with my concealer for the coverage. We'll just even out the complexion with this. The little package Beauty Bakery sent me. This is another one of their sponges. Very nice, very nice. For concealer, I'm going to be mixing the Lancome Teint Idole and these 4 Best Skin Ever. Can you see how like dark this one is and how light this one is? Mixing those together. I seen someone, who was it? I seen somebody on my TikTok like instead of putting their concealer on their face, they put it on a palette and then applied it like that, and it just looks so airbrushed. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I definitely only used about half the amount of concealer that I would have actually applied to my face. So usually I'll do like my cream blush and bronzer first, but we are blank canvas. Now we'll add the color back. I got this Patrick Ta cream foundation and finishing powder duo. I got it in the shade Tan 1 to do bronzer. So that's exactly what I'm going to use this for. Oh, by the way, I'm taking this on the Hank & Henry Nikki brush. It's so good for cream, bronzer, and blush. Like, I don't know, it's just like the perfect density, the perfect size, perfect shape, just snatched. For blush, I'm going to take the Maybelline Mitchell Curve Case Collective. I don't know, I think I gotta go with kind of like a warmer shade to go with this look. I think I'm going to take this shade here. Kind of just blend it into the eyes. This is a Fyne 0.4 face brush, by the way. It's kind of like a paddle shape. Just spank that blush on a little, get a little tappy tap. And then I'm trying to use up some of my old setting powders. So Ciate Everyday Vacay. This one we're going in with. I think this might be one of my oldest ones, so I'm trying to work through it. So that's the one I'm going to go in with today. I'm going to take my Jaclyn Under Eye Brightening Powder. And then I'm going to go back in with the Patrick Ta for bronzer. For my blush, I'm going to go in with the Blursh Book. And then I'm going to take the shade, I think I want to take this shade. This one. Here, I think that would match the eyes. Been Papped. I wonder what he means by that. Blend Bunny X Ellis Celestial Cheek Glaze, of course. Since I went in with that cheek glaze, I'm just going to kind of hit the high points with the What's a Beauty Serengeti highlighter. And I just like to mix both the white and the pink together. So I'll do inner corner, brow bone, nose, and then the high points of my cheeks. I got this Fenty Beauty eyeliner. Let's see what shade this is. Purple stuff. I'm going to blend a little bit of those same shades under my eyes. Then I'm going to take this burgundy mascara for my lower lashes. I have not tried that much stuff from Fenty, but the things that I have tried, I have thoroughly enjoyed. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go brown or burgundy for the lips, so I pulled out a couple of options, which I think I kind of always go this route. Okay, so I have the Kaleidos, what is this one? Shade Adobe, and then these both are unearthly. We have burgundy, we have a brown. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the burgundy, which I always, it's just so pretty. Shade Gloria from Unearthly is like one of my favorites for like dark. I always do like a nude lip, a light lip, I mean, like nude, yeah. Okay, so I just went ahead and I finished off the rest of the makeup. I'm very happy with my choice of dark lip. I just love the way dark hair and like dark lips, pale skin, it's just like a whole vibe. I was really expecting the eyes to be very blue. That's like the fun thing about the Shifty eyeshadow palettes, like Shifty shades, is that honestly it's a little bit difficult to tell what you're gonna get when you're putting it on top of like dark colors, different colors. Like if I were to put it on a pale base, it probably would have looked different than it does now. I'm also very happy with my decision to throw in a little bit of this oldie, but she's a goodie. Okay, like this. I don't have very many like companion palettes, but I do love it. I do love the shifty vibes. I usually don't like enjoy putting my hair up, but I feel cute today. I don't know. Let me know you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Yeah, I'm very excited about the look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. Without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.